Good morning, students. In the first unit, we will discuss about conic sections. The parabolas, ellipses, and hyperbolas are called conic sections or conics because they are formed by cutting a double cone with a plane. അതായത് ഒരു ഡബിൾ കോണിനെ പ്ലെയിൻ കൊണ്ട് വ്യത്യസ്തമായ രീതിയിൽ നമ്മൾ കട്ട് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ കിട്ടുന്ന ടു ഡയമെൻഷണൽ ഒബ്ജക്ട്സ് അതാണ് കോണിക് സെക്ഷൻ. മൂന്ന് തരത്തിലാണ് കോണിക് സെക്ഷന് നമ്മൾ ക്ലാസിഫൈ ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്നത്. ഒന്ന് പരാബോള, രണ്ട് എലിപ്സ്, ഹൈപ്പർബോള. അപ്പോൾ എങ്ങനെയാണ് ഇത് ഒരു ഡബിൾ കോണിനെ കട്ട് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ ഈ മൂന്ന് ടു ഡയമെൻഷണൽ ഫിഗേഴ്സ് വരുന്നത് എന്നുള്ളത് നമുക്ക് ചെക്ക് ചെയ്യാം.
If a plane intersects a double right circular cone, we get two-dimensional curves of different types. These curves are called conic sections. Depending on the angle made by the plane with the vertical axis of the cone, the plane can cut the cone in three different ways. Ellipse. When the plane intersects the double right circular cone in such a way that the angle between the plane and the axis is greater than the vertex angle, we get a closed curve called an ellipse. When the plane is perpendicular to the axis, the ellipse becomes a circle. Thus, a circle is a special type of ellipse. Parabola. When the angle made by the plane to the vertical axis is exactly equal to the vertex angle, we get an open curve called a parabola at the intersecting surface of the cone. Hyperbola. The plane intersects only one nap of the double right circular cone as long as the angle between the plane and the vertical axis is greater than or equal to the vertex angle. However, if the plane intersects the vertical axis at an angle smaller than the vertex angle, the plane intersects both the naps of the cone to form an open curve called a hyperbola, which has two disjoint curves.
So, now we define what is meant by a parabola. A parabola is a set that consists of all points in a plane. That means set of all points in a plane which is equidistant from a given fixed point and a given fixed line. That plane is called a parabola. Here the fixed point is the focus of the parabola and the fixed line is the directrix of the parabola. We suppose that the focus of this parabola lies at the point 0p, f0p on the positive y-axis and the directrix is the line y equal to minus p. That we assume that this y equal to minus p is the directrix. Then a point pxy lies on the parabola. Now by the definition of the parabola, this point, the distance between the distance from the focus f to the point p and a point distance from the point p to the directrix is same. So we get fp, the distance fp equal to distance pq or pf is equal to pq. So by the focus is the point 0p and this point is pxy. So this point here y equal to minus p is this line. So this point here it is minus p. So this point is here it is x. So this point is x minus p. So we get PQ is equal to PF implies by using distance formula we get what is PF. PF is square root of x minus the distance between the point xy and 0p. Square root of x minus 0 square plus square root of y minus p square. And PQ, the distance PQ is equal to square root of distance between the point pxy and q x minus p. So it is x minus x square plus y minus p, that is y plus p square. Now by the definition of the parabola, PF and PQ are equal. So we equate this and simplify. Equating and simplifying, we will get x square equal to 4py, where here p is always positive. So this is the standard form of a parabola. Standard form of a parabola, x square equal to 4py. Here x square equal to 4py, it is symmetric about y-axis. Here even degree term in x, so this parabola is symmetric about y-axis. If we consider the downward parabola, like this, then this equation become x square equal to minus 4py. Here the focus is at the point minus p 0 and direct is the straight line y equal to p. So first, in the first case, x square equal to 4py is the parabola. Here the point 0, 0, that is origin is the vertex of the parabola. Here the parabola changes its shape, that is the point where a parabola crosses its axis is called vertex. Here the axis is y-axis, axis of symmetry. Here it is parabola is symmetric about y-axis, therefore y-axis is the axis of the parabola or axis of the symmetry. The point where a parabola crosses its axis is called the vertex of the parabola. And the positive number p is called focal length of the parabola. For the parabola x square equal to 4py, p is the focal length of the parabola. Here it is, this height is p and this is also p. And for this parabola, minus p0 is the focus and y equal to p is the, that is why the straight line y equal to p is the directrix of the parabola. And we have another parabola, another two parabola. First one is, third one. This is also a parabola. Here it is symmetric about x-axis. The equation is y square equal to 4px, y square equal to 4px. Here the focus lies at the point P0. P0 is the focus of the parabola, y square equal to y square equal to 4px, this point, the focus P0, and x equal to minus p, this straight line is the x equal to minus p. Here this is minus p0 and this is the directrix. X equal to minus p is the directrix of the parabola y square equal to 4px. We have another parabola. Sorry. This is a parabola with the vertex that is the origin 0, 0. And this parabola is y square equal to minus 4px. Y square equal to minus 4px and x equal to p. X equal to p. This straight line x equal to p, it is the directrix of this parabola, and this point minus p 0 is the focus of the parabola. So we have discussed 4 kinds of parabola. First one, x square equal to 4py. The focus is at the point 0p and directrix is y equal to minus p. And the second parabola is x square equal to minus 4py. Focus is at 0 minus p and y equal to p is the directrix. And third parabola is y square equal to 4px. Focus at fp0. Directrix is x equal to minus p. And the last parabola is y square equal to 4px. Y square equal to minus 4px. Focus at minus p0. Directrix is at x equal to p. Okay, thank you for watching.